Welcome, this is Bernie Friend, 8-ball champion. Here I am. I'm going to be narrating a rack of 9-ball that recently happened. I'm trying to adjust the camera. I guess that's good. Hopefully it is. And what I'll do is I'll be stopping the action and analyzing where they could play position to the best I can. Two great players, Jason Shaw, Scotland, Joshua Fuller from Germany, both great. Here's a rack of 9-ball. Here's the leg. Looks like Joshua has the right to break. Did you know that with the leg, you don't have to break? It gives you the right to break or give it to your opponent. Remember that. So if someone's racking it really badly, just hand the cue ball over to your opponent. And here's the break. Let's see how many miles per hour this is. That's what I usually look at. That looks like about 21 miles per hour. He let go of the cue ball. This is not going to be anything great here. And so, I don't know. Did he make anything? No, right? Okay, Jason Shore studying. And let me just pause it here. So anyhow, here's the cue ball there. And here's the 1. And let's see here. There's really not much he could do, so I won't call this. Let's see what he does. It's a replay of the break. So here he goes. I don't think he's going offensive here, although he is a great shot maker. Let's see. I have the sound off, so I don't know if he's calling a push. Okay. He took a chance by doing some sort of exotic safety, and I don't think it paid off. I don't know if that brown 7 is in the vision of the yellow 1. He's looking at it. From this angle, no one could tell. The cameraman would have to move. Let's see here. Well, looks like he's going for it. So I think he's going to play it and bump the 2. Yep, there it is, bumping the 2. And now what I think will happen here, let me pause it. He's going to play the 2 all the way up. Cue ball's going to hit here and come out to right around there. And then he'll have the 4-6 combo after the 3. I don't like diamond tables at all. I hate the way they play, but when it comes to having a ball stick all the way up the cushion, they're the best in the world. They hold like glue. It's the only good thing about them. Here he goes. He's a lefty. He'll hit this nice and soft. And I don't think that's good. Nope, not good. But did he get away with it? I don't think so. By the way, just to let you know, I never saw this rack before, so it's real commentating. It's not bullshit, if you will. So anyhow, Jason Shaw has an opportunity here to possibly go cushion first here, believe it or not. A lot of right-hand spin, cushion first, spin the 2-ball in and go 3 or 4 cushions back to the 3. There it is, cushion first, and perfect, right out to the center of the table. Great shot. Now he doesn't want to disturb the pink here. So he'll just float this in dead weight, almost like a draw drag shot. He'll hit this nice and easy. There it is. Used to touch a draw. And he doesn't want to have the pink ball in an absurd position after this. So the key here is to play the green in a combination, but to really try to control the pink's whereabouts. Nice and soft. Oh boy, he played it for the other corner, and look at this. He got snookered. So now he's going to have to play a 1 cushion escape. This is not pretty. He's very upset. And let's see here what goes on. There's all schools of thoughts here. Hit it very softly, hit it hard, hope and pray. Do the F and Reyes kick to one side, create distance. He's stalling by seeing a speck. And they're on a time clock here. He has 8 seconds to shoot. And they probably just, oh boy, is he going to get fouled here? Oh, he got a time foul. Interesting. I never heard of that. I should put the sound on. I don't know what the hell that means. This is a great shot. Look at this. Marrying the white to the black almost. And now I think what's going to happen is he's going to probably play some type of long distance snooker. And what I mean by that is this. Let me get to it. Watch this. I think he's going to hit the pink fairly solid. Have it hit this cushion. Come over here somehow. And have the white continue on and marry up to the brown so that it's smothered and snookered and eclipsed. Let's see if I'm right. No, I was very wrong. That's a great shot. Look at this, right behind the orange. That's really, really nice. I'm sure the audience is applauding. They should have applauded. That was a decent shot there. Now, if you care to watch snooker players, you will notice that they know every trick in the book when it comes to safeties, exchange safeties, containing safeties, aggressive safeties, you name it. So here we have what I think he's going to try to possibly make the 7. He's jumping. Yeah, he's going to make the 7. He's going to hit the pink, and then the white will continue on to pocket the 7. Watch this. No, I didn't like that shot. I didn't care for it. It wasn't really thought out. Did he get away with it? It looks like he might have. This is, I just chose this rack at random to commentate, but so far it sucks. Stupid shots, really, really crappy. I could say that because I'm not on TV, I'm on YouTube. But it's true. Here comes a bank. Perfect. Ooh. Huh. Titty to titty, you would say, and out, huh? What a horrible rack. Really bad, So here he goes. He's just going to float this into the cushion and out. Very nice. Here he'll hit high left at 10 o'clock. There it is. And he'll go 2 to 3 cushions. That's 1, 2, 3. Come out sharply. And believe it or not, he may let a stroke out here and go, watch this. Here's what I like here. I like 1 cushion, 2 cushions, 3 cushions, and out. This would be like a high... almost like a straight draw, 6 o'clock, staying down. Nope. He's going to follow through into the cushion and back, and there we go. All right, look, hey, it's 1 rack out of many. I hope you enjoyed my commentating. This is 2002 8-ball chances champion Bernie Friend. See you soon.